Sometimes it's also a problem with us. Gusto lang natin tanggapin tayo, pero ayaw naman natin kilalanin na meron tayong pagkakamali na dapat itama. Ayaw natin kilalanin na meron tayong pagkakamali na dapat ituwid. Pero anong gusto ng Panginoon? Tatanggapin niya tayo, pero dapat magpakababang loob tayo at magmakaawa tayo sa Kanya. Panginoon, kung ibig po ninyo, mapagagaling ninyo ako. We rely on God's help in our transformation, in our healing. But first, we have to acknowledge that we are sick, that we need healing. We cannot be healed if we will not accept that we need the Lord, that we need healing because we are sick.